Earn $1,761 every single month passive income by sharing one link. It works worldwide, and it's how you can make money online. Hey, my name is Fábio. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell as I do videos every Tuesday and Friday about making money online and helping you become great. Alright, right now I'm going to hop into my computer. I'm going to share with you proof that this actually works, and then I'm going to walk you through what to do and how you can pull it off. Alright, so the product that we are going to promote is called Builderall. I've been promoting this product for almost 2 years now, and it is bringing me so much passive income every single month. And you can also promote it as well. It's an amazing all-in-one marketing platform, so it's very easy to promote and sell. And also they have the Funnel Club, which is funnels to make money online. So let's hop into my computer. Alright, here we are at Builderall account. Let me come here to my notifications, so here, and view all notifications. All right, so here let me just filter this for commissions. Let me zoom here and show you. So as you can see here, this is a complete passive income commission, 45. This is another passive income commission, 37. Here's the 2, 13. Here's another 45, 26, 8, 2, 2. Here's another 37, 18, 16, 18, 45. Here's a 37, 2, 13. Here's a 62 commission. Here's a 3, 26, 26, 8, 62, 45, 2, 3, 3, 84, 5, 2, 3. 37, 45, 8, 45, 16, 37, 62, 62, 16, 15, 62, 92, 62, 91. And they just keep on rolling. They just keep on rolling, as you can see here. They just keep on appearing. Literally getting commissions every single day. All right, now let me show you how you can earn $1,761 every single month on passive income with Builderall. Here we are at Builderall dashboard, and here we have the Builderall calculator. This calculator, what it does is it estimates the recurring income, which is literally passive income after 1 year of building, if that's the case. So how many sales can you make in 1 year? Let's say you make 1 sale per month, which is, by the way, it's easy to make 1 sale per month. I've actually made 5 sales in 1 day. So if I can do 5 sales in 1 day, you can absolutely do 1 sale in 1 month. So let's make here the minimal, and let's add here 12 sales in 12 months, which is 1 year. So 1 year of working in your business, if you make 1 sale per month, that's 12. Now Builderall, that's why this system, it's amazing. It has a tier 2 system where as you bring affiliates into your team, they will also promote the tool, and for every sale that they make, you make 30%. And so here is how many affiliates can you bring per year. So not all of the people that you bring will actually want to make money with the tool. Some will just want to use the tool, but a lot of them want to actually make money with the tool. I'd say most of them, especially now, as it is an amazing opportunity to make money from home. So how many affiliates can you bring this year? Out of these 12, 6 people become an affiliate. How many sales can each affiliate make per year? So let's say they also make 12 sales in a year, which is 1 sale per month, very minimum. So the amount that you make is 1,700. But now imagine all of these affiliates that you bring. If you actually bring them to make money online and they all make 12 sales, that's how much you make recurring income, 3,271. So you can see the potential of this. You can the sky is the limit. Now note that this number right here that I'm sharing you is just actually the recurring income, the passive income that I'm talking to you about. I'm not counting here for the cells. For instance, each cell that you make $61 for each cell that you make right away, because it's 100% you make on the first month. And so this amount right here is not counting this number, which is your own cells. So for each cell that you also make, you're actually making money as well. This is just passive income. Like, you can go to the beach, you can have some fun, and this money will still come in every single month. All right, so now let me show you when you get access to Builderall and the Funnel Club, the premium plan. You actually get access to this thing, which is the Funnel Club, which is many funnels that are ready to make money online. So here we go. This is the Funnel Club. You have loads of funnels where you can promote, and you see this is the all-in-one tool plus the business funnel. You have all these funnels here with the $1 sales page funnel. You have all of these funnels that ready to promote. The Funnel Club, which is the one that but in this video I want you to share one link, and so what I want you to do is actually come and promote the hell out of this one link right here, which is this $1 business. Now this right here, this is your affiliate link. You copy this link and you promote the hell out of this affiliate link. And how would you make money? Well, first of all, let me tell you, this is a numbers game. The more you promote this one link, the more money, the more sales you can expect. But the goal is to make just one sale in 1 month, right? And so what this funnel does is, the $1 business is, you're offering people to join Builderall and get access to all the tools plus the Funnel Club for $1 for 1 month. And then automatically, after that 1 month, they're going to start paying the $69.90 per month. And that's how the recurring income starts kicking in. And so this is the funnel. Let me open up. So here you go. This is the funnel that I'm talking to you about. This is the link you want to promote. As you can see here on top, this is your affiliate link right there. So the link comes with your affiliate link. You can come here and see this page. Let me scroll all the way down. You see Builderall's Funnel Club, true money making machine ready to go. And so this page explains it all. And as you can see, you get access to the Funnel Club. But you can then take a look at this this funnel. So that is the funnel that you want to promote the hell out of it. It's a numbers game. The more you promote, the more money you make. It's that simple. Now you may be asking, but Fabio, how the hell will I promote? How can I promote it? And that's where I come in. Here, this is my training that I provide to my Builderall team. So the same way that I'm offering this to my team, you would be offering this exact training to your team if you join under my affiliate link. So what happens is, this training right here, I'm giving it to you when you join Builderall with my affiliate link. By the way, I'm going to leave the link below this video. So what happens is, I'm giving you this training. Now watch, this training, I'll walk you. As you can see, this training, I'll talk about branding and strategy. How can you brand yourself? I talk about the value series, how you can position yourself. I teach you how to do it step by step. Also here on this training, I have what to promote. And so I have here a link for the Funnel Club. And I have also here, join my team funnel, which is the funnel that I have where you can promote it as well. Change your affiliate links. And also I have here the evergreen webinar, which it's a very high converting webinar that I did recently, and is bringing me sales in, so it's working amazing. So not only you have the Funnel Club where you can grab that link and promote, but you also have these options that I have here for you that work really well. Now here I have a free traffic, YouTube. I teach you how to get traffic from YouTube. Then I have free traffic from Facebook, how to get traffic from Facebook. I have the Facebook Mastery course and the group strategy. And when you click one of these buttons, of course, you have the training on the right. For example, group strategy, I'll click here, and then I have the trainings and I have what groups to join. I have just everything here. Free traffic for LinkedIn automation. When you click on it, I have the training there, right? And so I have more here. Free traffic on Pinterest, how to get it. Free paid internet traffic mastery. This is a complete course with 51 videos. I've got here paid traffic, how to get hundreds of leads per day. Influence traffic, Google Ads traffic, Bing Ads mastery. This is all courses and that I walk you through step by step how to do it. Builderall courses. Builderall also has courses, so they have the platform course, they have the local business website agency course, the Facebook ads course as well, and the top affiliate training course where they will teach you how to make money with the funnel club as well. So you get access to all of this training, Builderall tutorials, step by step, affiliate marketing, mindset, and this training, it's what you need to get traffic to your link, right? So I'm providing this to you, but not only you, I'm actually providing this for you and for everybody that joins under you. So not only you're getting access to this training, but you also can and should give this training to your team so that they can crush it and pull it off as well. Not only am I providing this training, I'm also providing one-on-one support along the way. So if you have any questions, guide you on the right direction, which is right here. You can book a call anytime with me here. You can schedule a call. We have a chat right here too, where we can chat together here. So this training that I have for you over here, of course, there's a lot of links here, and on each of these tabs, you have specific training, and so you have access to my personal VIP group where I share videos on how to do it with Builderall and all that stuff. And just everything that you need to start and make money with Builderall. And so that's how you get the traffic. Now, this is a numbers game, like I told you. The more people you send to that link, the more money you are making. Now, of course, I have training here on how to follow up email marketing, on Builderall email swipes and how to follow up effectively. Even here with what to promote. On the Evergreen webinar, I have a very effective follow-up. So once you duplicate this webinar for yourself, what happens is you also get the follow-up and all that stuff that is necessary to go along with it. And by the way, that link that I told you to share a lot, which is on the mega funnel, the $1 funnel, Builderall also follows up with them. So it's really effective. And so, of course, when you join with my link, you get all my support. You get everything that you need to pull it off. And that's how you can create passive income with this tool. It works amazing. I freaking love this tool. Been using it for 1.5 years. I've been traveling the world all crazy, loads of places. Actually, right now we're on coronavirus, this pandemic thing going on. There's people can't travel right now. But, I have a completely different lifestyle now because of this tool that I'm sharing with this method of making money online. So yeah, I will leave the link for my affiliate link beneath this video. Once you join, I'll get in touch with you right away and we can start. And like I shared with you, you only need to make one sale per month to make $1,761 on passive income every single month. And that's how you do it. That's how you can pull it off, with my help and my ongoing support. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you unlike it, give it a thumbs down. And if you know somebody that will benefit from this video, please share with them. And make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell as I do videos every Tuesday and Friday about making money online and helping you become great. Thank you very much for being part of my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Don't ever forget how awesome you are. I really believe in you. You right there. You behind that computer, that camera, behind that phone, that whatever laptop or smart or tablet, whatever you have. You're so freaking amazing. I really believe in you. You got this. It's about taking massive action and going all in, and then anything is possible. I believe in you. Have a blessing day. Be great. You are amazing. Cheers, and I'll see you on the next video.